Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please join me. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn. Let's crochet the cord. I will begin from the first segment. For this, make chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. And join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. My foundation ring is ready. Let's crochet the first segment. For this, chain of 3 to bring up the yarn and work into the ring. Make puff stitch made of 7 strings into the ring, and let's look what I will get. Before continue, let's stop and look at my ready project. As you can see, my cord consists of segments. There is the first segment in the cord. I will not repeat it, and then I will show you how to crochet the second and the third segment that I will repeat each time. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the ring. While making my puff stitch, I will remove a long piece of yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done. Then yarn over, pull through all strings except the last one, pull through all loops on the hook. My puff stitch is ready. It is made of 7 strings. Continue, then chain of 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the ring, make double crochet 2 together into the ring. Make the first one, make the second one, and pull through loops on the hook. The base for the first segment is ready. Before continue, let's stop and look. Now I show you the direction in crocheting. I will make the trim. I will start from this side, continue with the opposite side, and work with the chain space. Work with trim. Make a chain, turn the work with this part of the base. Insert the hook around the stitch. Make 5 slip stitches and chain. 1 and chain. 2 and chain. 3 and chain. 4 and chain. 5, then chain, turn the work with the opposite side. Make slip stitch with chain 5 times. Let's count 1 and chain, 2 and chain, 3 chain, 4 and chain, 5 and chain. I am done 5 slip stitches. Work with chain space. Make 7 slip stitches into the chain space. I am done the chain and make slip stitch 1 and chain. 2 and chain, 3 and chain, 4 and chain, 5 and chain, 6 and chain, 7. Once I have done the last slip stitch, let's stop at this point. This is the back side of the segment. Let's look at the front. This is my trim. It is visible on the front side of my segment. Let's crochet the second segment. For this, make chain of 3. 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into 3 chain space. I'm making puff stitch made of 7 strings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then yarn over, pull through except the last one, and pull through 2 loops. Then chain of 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over the hook and double crochet 2 together. 1, 2, and pull through. Well done. This is the back side of my segment. Make a chain, turn the work, and I will crochet my trim from this point, continue with the opposite side, and then work with chain space. Insert the hook around the stitch, make slip stitch 1 and chain, 2 and chain, 3 and chain, 4 and chain, 5 chain. Work with the opposite side. Let's count. Make the first slip stitch and chain, 2 and chain, 3 and chain, 4 and chain, and 5. Work it to the chain space. Make chain, make slip stitch into the chain, 1 and chain, 2 and chain, 3 and chain, 4 and chain, 5 and chain, 6 and chain, 7. Let's stop and look. Make chain of 3. Let's crochet the third segment. Insert the hook into the chain space. Make puff stitch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done. Then yarn over, pull through except the last one, and pull through. My puff stitch is ready. Chain of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. yarn over the hook and double crochet 2 together. 1, 2, and pull through. Well done. Make a chain, work with trim. I will start from this side, continue with this one, and work with chain space. So I'm making the same way as I showed you before. Insert the hook around the stitch, make slip stitches 1, 5 times and chain, 2 and chain, 3 and chain, 4 and chain, 5 and chain, turn the work, insert the hook around the stitch, make first one and chain, 2 and chain, 3 and chain, 4 and chain, 5 chain, and work into the chain space. Make 7 slip stitches. This is the back side of the work. 1 and chain, 2 and chain, 3 and chain, 4 and chain, 5 and chain, 6 and chain, 7. Let's stop and look. Turn the work on the front side and let's look what I have done. There is my first segment. I will not repeat it, and then I will repeat the second and the third segment. Pattern consists of 2 segments. Keep working in this way as many segments as you need for your cord. I will start the next one and you should continue working with your own. Turn the work on the back side, chain of 3 to bring up the yarn over the hook and make puff stitch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, pull through except the last one and pull through 2 loops, chain of 5 for the chain space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and double crochet 2 together, 1, 2, and pull through loops on the hook. Make a chain, turn the work and make slip stitches. Work with this side, then work with the opposite side, continue with the chain space, as I did in the second segment. Once I have done my beautiful cord, and now I show you how to complete it. Once I have done slip stitch, make a chain, insert the hook into the puff stitch, make a slip stitch, make a chain, work with 5 slip stitches, 1 and chain, 2 and chain, 3 and chain, 4 and chain, 5 and chain. I have already cut off the yarn and that's it. My project is ready. You can leave a long piece of yarn to sew the stuff for the jewelry, and you will get amazing bracelet, necklace or belt. If you are not planning to get the jewelry, you can remove the yarn along the stitches on the back side of the project using the sewing needle or a crochet hook. So that's it, my project is ready. Here how it looks when I am done. This is my oven pattern. This is one side cord. It is very delicate and simple. For this project you just need to know how to work with slip stitches, chains, puff stitches and double crochet. I remind you, my pattern consists of 2 segments and I'm not repeating the first segment, but pattern consists of the second and the third segment. For this project you can use your favorite color of yarn or variegated yarn or whatever you like to create your personal and unique project. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use my patterns. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me in social media and of course crochet with me and learn more. See you next time and good luck in crocheting. Bye!